Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today we have the absolute pleasure of bringing to market this stunning VW Touareg. So what we have in front of us here is a 2022 Volkswagen Touareg 3-litre V6 Black Edition. Now this is finished in a Dolomite Silver Metallic with a soul black and crystal grey leather upholstery. Now this vehicle has covered only 7,511 miles and has an absolutely superb specification. So starting off with the exterior, we can see with this being the black edition we have an awful lot of gloss black trim elements, not only the wheels but around the headlights, the front grille, the wing mirror, the weather strip and those roof rails, and the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, tying it all together incredibly well. Now we also have the 21-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, front and rear cameras with a 360-degree view. We also have a powered tailgate on this vehicle and a factory-fitted electrically deployable tow bar. As we head inside this vehicle, that list of specification continues. And I can assure you the quality and condition of what you see here is mirrored on the inside of the car. Now, just before we go in, it's certainly worth mentioning on this vehicle we have full keyless operation. So the key is within my pocket, and as long as you are within 1 metre of the door handle, we can either just swipe the exterior, and we'll fold those mirrors in to lock the vehicle, and each and every handle has this function. But if we touch the inside, that is now unlocked. And of course, keeping the key in the pocket, we then have a push start button here just behind the gear shifter. So that full black leather upholstery, we can see with the R embroidered towards the top and the contrast stitching to break everything up very nicely. And of course, where we have the privacy glass in the vehicle, we can see into the rear there the ambient lighting, currently set on a lime green colour, which I do quite like myself, right across the dashboard and across the doors. So I'm going to put some ignition on the vehicle, because in this car we have the Innovision absolutely enormous display in the centre, which seamlessly blends right into the virtual cockpit, all of which can be customised for its style and its content. And again, worth mentioning, up top is where we have the full length panoramic sunroof, which will tilt and slide with an electric blind to cover, and that glass is tinted to the same level as the rear windows to keep the rear end of the vehicle nice and cool, and of course a bit of privacy. So some other features we have on the inside of the vehicle: we have fully electric seating, and for the driver we have a 3-stage memory package. We have a multifunction steering wheel, and as well as us having heated front seats, we have a heated steering wheel as well. There is a huge selection of various different driving controls, an enormous amount of safety and security features. As we know, the German manufacturers are the pioneers for all of the vehicle safety functions. And of course, with the ignition on, we can see the LED headlights up front, looking very distinctive. But yes, we are very proud to be bringing this vehicle to market. So here at AMT Specialist Cars, we'd like to provide each and every customer with a fully rounded service, all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do have a word with us. We will contact our panel of lenders and search to get you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have our partners at Warranty Wise, who are able to provide us with up to 3 years worth of market-leading extended warranties. And last but not least, if you would like to keep your vehicle looking in the condition that you see here today, we have Autoglim's Life Shine product, which when applied by our professionals is designed to bond with the paintwork, the exterior glass, and on the interior of the vehicle, be that leather or cloth upholstery, all has its individual treatment. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video. We do hope you find it informative. If there's anything that we've missed at all, please do come back to us and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you once again, and we'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. Bye for now.